In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in the Wix editor. This is a quick and useful technique if you want to temporarily conceal part of your website while you work on updates, redesign a page, or simply clean up what you see in the editor without deleting anything permanently. To get started, open your website inside the Wix editor using Google Chrome. Using Chrome helps make sure the editor runs smoothly and that all the editing tools display properly. Once your site is open, navigate to the page and locate the exact section you want to conceal. Take a moment here to confirm that you're selecting the correct area, especially if your page includes multiple strips, containers, or overlapping elements. When you found the section you want to hide, right-click directly on that section. This will open a context menu with additional options related to that part of the page. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry. Depending on the layout of your site or the element you clicked, the editor may show slightly different controls at first. From there, select Layers or look for the Section Options panel. This is where Wix gives you more control over how that section appears and behaves inside the editor. The Layers view can be especially helpful if your page has several stacked elements, because it makes it easier to identify exactly which section is selected. If anything on the page feels hard to click, using layers can save time and prevent accidental edits to the wrong item. Once you're in the right panel, click the Hide button, which is usually shown as an eye icon with a slash through it. As soon as you click it, the section will be concealed. This is useful when you want to remove visual clutter while editing or keep a section out of view without deleting its content. Hiding is generally a safer option than removing something entirely, especially if you think you may need it again later. If you're working on a larger site, it can also help to double check your page after hiding the section so you can see how the rest of the layout looks. That way, you can make sure spacing and alignment still appear the way you expect in the editor. And that's it. Open your site in the Wix editor, using Chrome, right-click the section you want to conceal, open Layers or the Section Options panel, and click the Hide icon. It's a simple process, but it can make editing your Wix site much more organized and efficient.